These flavor-packed vegetarian jackfruit tacos with spicy salsa de tres chilies and guacamole are sure to become a new favorite. The heat of the salsa and the warm spices of the jackfruit are nicely balanced with the cooling and creamy guacamole. Let's get started by preparing the jackfruit. First, heat the olive oil in a sauté pan over medium-high heat and sauté the onions until golden brown. Add the garlic, pimenton, and cumin and cook until aromatic. Now add the Dole shredded jackfruit, stirring it to coat nicely with the onion mixture. Jackfruit has become a beloved plant-based staple. Its texture makes it the perfect meat substitute in any number of dishes, including these tacos. Add in soy sauce and some vegetable stock and simmer until the liquid evaporates. Season with salt and pepper and set this aside to chill overnight. Jackfruit adapts really well to whatever flavors you pair it with. Allowing it to rest will help bring out the spices we used. Now I'll show you how to make the guacamole. I'm working with Dole diced avocados that are ripe and ready to use. I've defrosted them for 20 minutes. Mash these together with diced red onions, chopped jalapenos, and cilantro. Adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, and lime, and we're done. The next component to these tacos is the salsa. I have a salsa here made from 3 different chilies: arbol, chipotle, and guajillo. To balance out the heat from the chilies, I'll fold in some sweet Dole mango cubes. Set this aside as we get our jackfruit ready to serve. Heat oil in a sauté pan over medium heat, then add the jackfruit mixture. Sauté until slightly brown. Add in the vegetable stock and a spoonful of salsa. Heat until warmed through, then stir in Dole mango cubes. Adjust the seasoning to taste with salt and pepper. Now we're ready to serve. Place some of the jackfruit mixture on top of the hot tortilla, followed by some mango and chili salsa, some shredded cabbage slaw, a spoonful of guacamole, and a garnish of pickled onions and cilantro. The spicy jackfruit, sweet bites of mango, and creamy guacamole make for a delicious flavor combination and an all-round fantastic taco.